In this episode of Lap of the Bay, I escape the morning fog, find some dirt,
Pretty cool.
go for a ride on a ferry, and find an amazing coastal road.
Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone has been travelling very well, enjoying some beautiful weather and some amazing riding. So here I am in Melbourne, down in fact at Port Phillip Bay, and that there's the old Spirit of Tasmania terminal, which is also the cruise ship terminal. So it's actually been quite a ride this morning. So I left the house in the dark, and it is winter here, and I left the house and it was about 2 degrees. Yeah, so it was a little bit chilly this morning, and then add a little bit of wind factor, and yeah, you know what, it was cold. So on today's trip, we are meeting up with another fellow rider and potentially a few more, but we'll soon find out.
In the port of Melbourne, and as you can see on my shoulder, beautiful, peaceful and quiet, and it is actually really early in the morning. It's about 8:15 in the morning, and it's in the middle of winter, so it is freezing cold.
So we're starting our lap around Port Phillip Bay. So we're just leaving Port Phillip Bay now, just closely following the GPS because I have no idea where I'm going. I plotted the route, but it doesn't mean I know where I'm going. Alright, so from here on in we're going to make our way over the bridge and then make our way into Williamstown and then continue on after that. And it's still cold. Oh, that's rough. There you go, at the very top. Normally there's a flag up there. Not today. Alright, next stop, Williamstown. But I'm just checking out these amazing houses that are overlooking the harbour. So you've got some big ships over there on the left. Not that you can see anything. What makes it worse is in my helmet, even though I've got the pin lock, I can't see anything. I'm having to look through little gaps where I can see stuff. And check out some of these amazing homes. What are you? I don't know about you, but I can't see a great deal. Oh well, still out in the bike, doesn't matter, all good. Alright, got a new battery in. Check out the Ferris wheel, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, so we're just going to go for a ride through the park area and then make our way towards into Indented Head, I think it's called. It's nice to get away from a few cars. I just have no idea what to do. Do I stop? Do I go? Do I turn left? Oh, what's this stick on the steering column? Indicating. Here we are, right along the water's edge. Yeah, this place gets packed during summer. So we've now left the Shire of Geelong behind and now approaching Queenscliff. Just come off the ferry, the Queenscliff-Sorrento ferry, and that takes about 45 minutes from one side to the other, so just enough time for a drink, something to eat, and to charge a few batteries. Now we're just coming into Rosebud. It's pretty much the last of the big fast food chains before you head south down towards Sorrento. That's the last of it. I think that's why Sorrento's so nice. One is you got one of the richest suburbs here in the state, and two, no fast food joints. I like this stretch of the road. There's nice houses on the right, water on the left, and then there's a hillside with all these houses on it. It just looks really cool. It's a bit of a novelty for me. And then you go into this like little tunnel-ish thing. You'll see what I mean. I say it's a tunnel, but it hasn't actually got a roof on it. See? And you do go through a small tunnel. And once we've gone around the circle, once again we'll have some more water on our left, and then we start to come into some nice bends. And at the moment, just taking a break from the traffic. It's just been crawling along. So I thought, what a nice place to stop down by the wharf or the harbour. Hopefully get away from this traffic. Down to the water. So we just stopped at Oliver's Hill. It's a really nice viewpoint, this, as you're about to see. Finally get a video of Christian riding his bike. Oh, there he goes. No. He wanted to tuck him behind me. Wow, who's this guy? Must be Russian. Get it? Russian? Rushing? Ugh, bad dad joke.